Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door beam in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door beam. There are several door beams used in the fresh food compartment of this refrigerator. This one is installed on the left French door. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door beam is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get to the part, we need to open the French doors. To remove the old door beam, we need to press it up and pull it forward. This is the old door beam next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door beam onto the left side door, we need to slide these two tabs over this single tab into the groove on both sides. So we're going to place it on the top and push it down. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.